So we were discussing the chemical reactions of aldehydes ketone, okay, nucleophilic addition reaction, aldol condensation. Okay, we can take some examples of nucleophilic addition reaction and also related to aldol condensation reaction. Okay, as they are very important for us. So in nucleophilic addition reaction, we have seen acetyl ketyl formation. Okay, I hope you remember that. In NEET, there was a question how you are going to distinguish between cis 1,2 cyclohexane diol and trans 1,2 cyclohexane diol. Question is just the same. I have changed the options little bit. So what is the right option? Yeah, Jivta. Good evening. Am I audible? So just we have started with the questions of aldehyde and ketones. NEET PYQs we have started. So what is going to be the answer to this problem? Yeah, just saying Yovita. Any this is from NEET only. So I hope all of you can see the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So this is a bit difficult question, and what I should say that it is actually of your JE level. Okay, so they have given cyclohexane 1,2-diol. This is cyclohexane 1,2-diol. Okay, and if it is cis, means both the OH which are on the first and the second carbon are on the same side of the ring. Means let's say if they are the both of them coming above the plane of the paper. Got it? Is it clear? So this is cis, and trans is one of the OH is coming up or above the plane of the paper, while another OH is going behind the plane of the paper. Clear? So these are the two molecules, and how they can be distinguished. These are alcohols. So first of all, these two reagents are totally rejected because alcohols do not react with NHSO3, neither do they react with 2,4-DNP, which is the option C. Alcohols can react with anhydrous ZnCl2 and HCl, and that let us decide that whether it is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. Got it? But these alcohols, primary regarding primary, secondary, all alcohols are secondary. So this reagent also is of no use to solve this question. So you are left only with one reagent, that is option A. You can follow this approach, okay? Or what you can do is we have seen when the two moles of alcohol react with a ketone or an aldehyde, what happens? Water gets removed. Okay, and if it is a ketone, you have a ketal. If it is if it is if it is an aldehyde, it will be called as acetal. Is it clear? So this is going to be a ketal. It is one more thing which we need to notice is this is a cyclic ketal. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So this is the cyclic ketal. Okay. So but how this reaction is it will enable us to differentiate between the two types of diols. And it is very easy to understand that both the OH are on the same side. So they can combine with the carbon of the ketone because they are on the same side, they can form the ring. But this is going to be a difficult. Okay. Is it clear? So who is going to form a cyclic ketone? Right? It is the cis 1,2-diol, which is going to form the cyclic ketone, not the trans. Getting my point? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So very important, very good question. Okay, and so let's do the another problem. Acetophenone when reacted with base. This is the base which is taken. It is reacted with the base and yields a stable compound. So what is the structure of the compound? Got it? So they are asking us the compound and you need to got it. So this is which reaction, very very easy reaction and all of us can make out. From the options can help you to figure out the answer more quickly. So very easy question. Which reaction is it? You can tell me. And what is the answer to this question? So what is going to be the answer? Very easy. Which reaction is this? Acetophenone. So instead of giving the structure, they have given the name. And one more thing, they have given the common name. So you are expected to remember the common names also, which are very common. Okay. So this is expected because it is given in NCERT, right? So this is acetophenone. And when it is treated with base Jaslin, so which reaction is this? Which reaction is it? With the acetophenone is treated with a base. or aldehyde ketone containing alpha hydrogen is treated to the base? Which reaction is it? Yeah, it is aldol condensation reaction. Got it? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is acetophenone. Got it? And how we are going to write the product? This is acetophenone. Okay, we are going to remove the alpha hydrogen, make it negative. Okay, because alpha hydrogen is acidic. Okay, it is going to join to the Cu. Got it? And it will become OH. So beta hydroxy aldehyde or a ketone. Is there any option which resembles this? The answer is no. So which is the right answer? Now I told you one more thing. If there is heat or if there is a benzene ring, water can get removed. Okay. In the presence of heat. But here the heat may be there, may not be there because they are not given the complete information. But there are benzene rings. Because of the benzene rings, the formation of double bond has now become easier and the water will be removed. So we are going to make the final product which doesn't carry any water without that OH group. Okay. And this is going to be the final answer. Clear? So the right option is your answer A. Got it?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Pardon?
I didn't understand.
Clear? Hmm?
I didn't understand.
Yeah, yeah. This one, Jesslyn, because you have taken base, what will happen with the base? Base will remove. This is also a question. Okay, that came in neat. Okay, that strong. So we can do that question also along with it. Alpha hydrogen from a strong base can extract alpha hydrogen from alkene, amine, ketone, or alkane. Okay. So what should be the answer? Yeah, Jasleen. Which Jyovita? Which from where the alpha hydrogen can be removed by a base?
Sir, ketone.
Hmm?
Ketone.
Yeah, ketone. Why ketone? Yes, because once the hydrogen is removed, the anion which is left can stabilize itself by resonance. Got it? So same thing has happened here also. Okay. So alpha hydrogen got removed. It will go and get attached to the positively charged carbon of CO. But that I can't keep it C double bond, I have changed it to single bond OH. And then, so beta hydroxyketone. Okay. And then water will be removed. So you will have alpha beta unsaturated compound. So, Jaslyn, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you need to remove water. So this can also be the answer, and this can also be the answer. Okay, but because they have not given any compound with OH group, we are going to leave as it is. Okay. They have also asked directly the product formed in aldol condensation reaction is. So which is the product? Formed in aldol condensation reaction. Beta hydroxy acid. Beta hydroxy aldehyde or a ketone. Alpha hydroxy aldehyde or a ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated ester. This is also a neat question. So, which is the product for aldol condensation reaction? So, what is going to be the answer? Yogita, Deslin, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So, which is going to be the answer? The product of aldol condensation they have asked directly. Either you can write the aldol for any of the aldehyde or a ketone, or you can just uh, you need to remember. Yeah, tell me.
Option B.
Option A, beta hydroxy acid. No.
B.
Yeah, yeah. So why option B? Because it is given by aldehyde and ketones. Got it? So here you can see that once the two aldehyde combine together, the alpha carbon of one aldehyde combines with the CO of another aldehyde, or alpha carbon of a ketone combine with the CO of another ketone, and the CO changes to OH. So alpha carbon connected to CO. That CO become OH and that is on the beta carbon. Is it clear? So you have beta hydroxy aldehyde or a ketone. It depends whether you have started with aldehyde or a so you will end up with beta hydroxyaldehyde, and if you have started with a ketone, you will end up with a beta hydroxyketone. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next question is related to nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, the C double bond O, because we have discussed this Cu is polar because of the electronegativity difference between the carbon and oxygen. You can treat carbon as plus and oxygen as minus. Got it? So a carbonyl compound react with HCN. To form cyanohydrin. This cyanohydrin has OH and CN. Okay. So if you do the complete hydrolysis, that is actually the CN which get converted to carboxylic acid. Okay. So this is, I'm telling, adding from my side. Question says from cyanohydrin upon hydrolysis form racemic mixture of alpha hydroxy acid. What could be the structure of this carbonyl compound? Actually, they have given the name, so I will remove this. The carbonyl compound is, can be, okay. Option A, acetaldehyde. Option B, acetone. Option C, diethyl ketone. Option D, formaldehyde. They have not given any structure. So which is the right option? Racemic mixture. This is the word you need to take care of. Getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Jyovita, Jaslene.
So,
So where the product is cyanoiodine, okay? So which cyanoiodine is in the form of racemic mixture? What could be the right option? Racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? First of all, tell me. Hmm.
A mixture of a pair of enantiomers.
Yeah, mixture of two mirror image isomers, right? And they are there when you have a chiral carbon atom. Okay, chiral carbon atom. Okay, when there are four different groups X, Y, P, and Q connected to a carbon that is a chiral carbon, and that can exist in two different three-dimensional arrangements which are mirror images of each other. Got it? So what is required is the presence of chiral carbon in the cyanoid. Got it? So which cyanohydrin is chiral? If the cyanohydrin is chiral, the alpha hydroxy acid is also going to be chiral. Clear or not? So tell me, acetone cannot have a cyanohydrin which is chiral. Why? Because the two groups are same. You need to have two, acetone has two methyl groups. Got it? You need to have all four groups to be different. Getting my point or not? So which is having all four groups different, which aldehyde or a ketone will have all groups different. Yeah, Jasleen, Yogita, tell me, is it acetone? No, acetone has two same methyl group. Is it diethyl ketone? That also is not an option because diethyl means two ethyl groups. Okay. Formaldehyde, is that an option? Hmm. Yeah, here with the acetaldehyde, exactly. Okay. And because you people are from bio, so tell me what is the name of that alpha hydroxy acid, which is obtained from acetaldehyde? What is the name, common name? Getting my point? Very important molecule which is there in our body. It accumulates in our muscles when we do exercise. It is,
Lactic.
yeah, lactic acid. Absolutely correct. So lactic acid has HCH3. Okay, that was these are the two groups carried from forward from the acetaldehyde, and OH and COH. Okay, these group came in because of that cyanohydrin formation. Clear? So this I hope is clear. Very important question. The common name is also very important. Got it? Let's discuss another question. We have discussed, I can give you a hint. We have discussed the reaction with ammonia derivatives. And you know what is the reaction. All of you know it. Very easy to form the product. Okay. You need to remove the water, double bond O and H2, and you will get the product. Reaction with ammonia derivatives. So tell me quickly, what is going to be the answer to this problem? I can draw the options also, but you can just very important question. These questions have been asked in JEE also. The concept is just the same. So I hope all of you can answer it. I hope everybody is getting the question. Jaslyn, Yobita.
Yes.
Jaslyn, D is actually the intermediate. Got it. So what we do when we treat a doubly bonded oxygen containing compound with any ammonia derivative, you remove water. Got it? So what we do? We remove H2O and we form a carbon double bond nitrogen. So this will help you, Teslin, to get the answer of the first part. Okay. But after that you have LAH and hydrolysis. So what LH will do? LH, remember it was one of the very strong reducing agents. Got it? So what LH will do? It is going to reduce the double bond. Got it? To single bond.
Yes.
So after the first step, you will have this as the product. Got it? And after LH, you have this as the product. Got it? It will get reduced. That hydrolysis is just to convert that, remove that Li plus. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But that is just because in if you directly also take LiLH4, what it will become? It will become O minus CHO minus, okay, Li plus, and that O minus upon hydrolysis will change to OH. Got it. So that sometimes that hydrolysis step is mentioned and sometimes it is not mentioned. Even if it is not mentioned, okay, you can assume it that the final product you need to form will be by the hydrolysis. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's do another problem. Okay, very good question. Very basic question, but very good question. Okay. This is also related to something what we are discussing, because whatever we are discussing is the most important part, which is in being asked from CBSE to NEET to JEE Mains, advanced, everywhere, these questions. Okay, so the next question is also related to our present discussion only. Very good question. HCN, KCN, or sometimes it is written as KCNH plus. Okay, heat. No, B. You need to give. You need to treat it with the reagent B to, and that treatment will lead to the formation of this compound. Got it? A and B are. A is this product of this reaction, first part. B is the reactant with which A is reacted. Got it? And directly writing you the options in new line, you can assume that to be the option 1, option 2, option 3 as the answer. In each option, I'm giving you the possible structures of A and B. You need to choose the right one. So this is also easy because we are discussing, but the question is presented in a new, different manner. And I'm quite sure that you know it, but you need to be alert. Okay. Getting my point? So option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. Each option is written in a separate line.
Sir, can you scroll a little up?
Hmm. So first you form the cyanohydrin. That happens when you react your aldehyde or a ketone with double bond O. And HCN or KCN or KCN or H plus, it is one and the same thing. Got it? And yeah. So which option do you think is the right answer?
So the last option.
Yes, last option. Okay, correct. Because HCN is going addition of H and CN. Okay, clear. And LAH is going to, or H2NI also you can take. Reduce this C multiple bond nitrogen to single bond CH2NH2. Is it clear? So A is this, B is this reagent, and the final product is already written. Okay, so that you already know. Next question, very easy one. Does this compound, can it undergo aldol or not? You can yourself make out because it is a very easy question. And the question which was asked in NEET says, ask that it does not undergo aldol condensation. And it has given various options. Okay. One option is bulky tertiary butyl group. Absence of alpha hydrogen. Cleavage of bond. Taking place between the carbon and CHO. And option D. Because of the 3 electron donating methyl groups. They are groups which exert plus I effect. Getting my point or not? What is the answer? Very simple question. And it starts when we start studying aldol and Cannizzaro reaction. That aldol condensation is given by those aldehyde and ketone which possess at least one alpha hydrogen. Getting my point or not? While the Cannizzaro is just the reverse. Okay. Till now we have not yet done. Cannizzaro is given by those aldehydes which do not possess any alpha hydrogen. So this is the compound. Why it doesn't give aldol condensation? Okay, that was the question. Why this compound doesn't give aldol condensation reaction? It doesn't give aldol condensation reaction. So what should be the answer? It doesn't possess any alpha hydrogen. Got it. So this molecule will be taken in Cannizzaro reaction. Because those who have alpha hydrogen will give aldol and those who do not have alpha hydrogen will give Cannizzaro. Clear? Is it clear or not? Jaslin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Jovita, this is basic question. So in the next class we may see some more Cannizzaro reactions, okay, and some other type of reactions, okay. So let me end the class, right? Okay, just go through your NCERT in-text problems. Some are very good problems, okay, and as it is, they are asked in NEET, right? So be careful about that, right? So just go through them and let me know in the class also that if there is any problem. Okay, bye bye. Take care.
So thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
sir. Bye.
Bye.